Hello and welcome to this new section on preparing for your technical interviews to become a software developer. So, in this section, we will help you learn how to prepare for technical interviews when you get ready and when you are seeking a job. And that may be a little far away, a couple of years or maybe a year, depending on how long have you been, how when did you start as becoming a software developer. So in this lecture, we will talk about many things that you can do to prepare for technical interviews when when you would be or when you are seeking a job. So what do you think? What do you need to do to prepare for technical interviews? Any thoughts? See, preparing for technical interviews, especially in this role of software development, requires you to study common data structures, algorithms, and practice coding challenges. Now, how can you do all these three things? Let's look at many things that you can consider doing for yourself to prepare for these things while you are preparing becoming a software developer and after becoming a software developer. Right. So start by building a solid foundation in data structures and algorithm. Solid foundation in two areas, data structures and algorithm. And what are the areas to cover that you must build this solid foundation? This should include arrays, linked list, stacks, queues, trees, binary search trees, AVL trees, graphs, heaps, hash tables, sorting algorithms like quicksort, merge sort, searching algorithms like binary search, and dynamic programming. So these are many things that you must get on top in terms of understanding and gaining a solid foundation. Then you need to, how can you study these? Obviously, if you are on your own entirely, you're not doing a course, you can study these from textbooks, online courses, or educational websites like you see here. And edition for Geeks and Geeks, LeetCode, HackerRank, and of course, Coursera, Udemy, EDX, etc. Then you need to select this programming language, which we had talked earlier. Now, this selection is different. You might have selected a couple of programming languages to specialize in a certain area. Within that, you need to select one that you're comfortable with and will use for coding challenges. So we're getting on to how to participate and do well and be good in coding challenges. So typically the common choices that are good, useful are Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Then solving coding challenges requires you to practice. Now you need to solve a variety of coding challenges both on a paper or a whiteboard or using online coding platform. Some of the platforms that you can use to practice are LeetCode, HackerRank, CodeSignal, Code Wars, Top Coder, and Project Healer. Now, this is at the time of doing this course, and as and when you find more new, better coding platforms that can help you solve coding challenges emerge, you keep an eye on that and get on to them. Focus on common interview topics that frequently appear in technical interviews. Now, what are these topics? Again, we have talked about this, but let's recap them here. Array and string manipulations, linked lists, singly and double linked, stacks and queues, binary trees and binary search trees, sorting and searching algorithms, dynamic programming, graph algorithms like breadth first search, depth first search, hash tables, bit manipulation, and recursion. Some of them may be new words for you, but you can just stay on and then you will start learning many of these as you go forward. And the whole idea is to expose you to what you need to learn. After solving the coding challenges, compare your solution to others. Right? When you participate in coding challenge, simply coding doesn't help. What you're looking for with these coding challenges is to learn and become more skilled. So after solving the coding challenges, compare your solution to others. Read the official solution provided by the platform as well as study the other solutions submitted by the community of software developers. Now, what this will do is this will help you understand different approaches and optimization, and that's where your learning will become even more sharpened. Schedule mock interviews with a friend, mentor, or use a platform that offers interview simulation. This will allow you to practice, and this practice will help you get accustomed to the interview environment and time constraints, and get used to doing so well in the interviews that even if at 2 o'clock in the night someone wakes up and does a mock interview, you should be able to do well. So, having looked at all few things that we can do to prepare for your interviews, what do we do next? One of the things that you need to learn is in this interview preparation is time and space complexity, and we will look at how can you focus on time and space complexity in the next lecture. So, thank you so much for watching this first lecture on preparing for the interviews to become a software developer. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy. And I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Feel free to message me if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. And if you like to refer to anything that I've talked about, please do download the PDF file and take a good look at it.